This is called the poopy lineup. All right. So this is kind of how your stool should look. Oh, hold on. Let me get the glare away. Okay. So this is your poopy policeman. This is a 6-incher. Okay. So ideally you want 2 of these guys a day. So at least 12 inches of stool a day minimum. Okay. So we could have two of these guys coming in twice a day. We could have 1 extra big guy coming in once a day, or we could have 3 smaller versions coming in at 4. So ideally about 12 inches of stool. We want it to be relatively formed. We don't want to see the particles in there. We don't want to see mushy. We don't want it to be a floater. We don't want to have undigested fat in there. Those are the key things. So regarding that, that's going to be important. Number 2, if we're having problems with the regularity, we can use palliative support, such as higher dose magnesium citrate or oxide can be helpful. But we'd also want to make sure stomach acid and enzyme levels are adequate. If those are low, that may affect motility. And then the third thing is if it's bacterial overgrowth or fungal overgrowth or infections, that could also be affecting motility as well.